Is alcohol both the solution and the problem? Well, let's talk about long-term addiction or alcoholism or abuse, whatever you want to call it. Long-term alcohol abuse is not about having to drink every day or going through withdrawals. That's the latter stages. So it's about how alcohol is going to train your emotions, your brains, your reactions, and your nervous system over time. It doesn't happen like that. Ask yourself or others around you, if you're brave enough, if alcohol is regulating your emotions, you think? Or shaping your relationships? Are they tiptoeing? Dulling your awareness and presence. You're not really there. Is it blurring your clarity? Making decisions? Man, if this is already happening, well, here you are. What are you going to do about it? You can't unring that bell. Your addiction is doing push-ups, by the way, behind you, and it will progress. As this progresses, this addiction is going to get worse. And it's not about the daily use. Alcohol becomes a coping strategy, not a substance. So you get that, right? Think about that. Here's some red flags for you to consider for yourself. Are you needing rules around managing your drinking? Have you had repeated attempts of saying, well, I'll cut back or I'll quit tomorrow? Do you have irritability or edginess when you are stopping? Then boom, what's going to happen next is that you're going to continue to drink despite the negative consequences in your life. So is alcohol shaping your moods, your relationships, your decisions? Well, that's already too much if it's doing that. The train has already left the station. Know this, that if you don't interrupt this, it's going to get worse. That part's your call. Hopefully you won't lose too much. Hell, everybody has their own path. I hope you don't have to trip over too much. So please, let's tag someone who needs to hear this before it gets worse. Or let's tag someone who's adapting rather than interrupting. And remember this, you don't have to do this alone. I'm thinking about you. Peace.